So the next stop is Plessey Woods. This is about 1.5 miles from Northumberlandia where we've just been, and it's probably only about 1.5 miles from my house. So there's plenty of nature trails and walks, and there's a nice river, so we'll have a walk around. So as you walk in, that's where we just walked in there. You've got like a little cafe and stuff here. I think it must be closed at the minute, something to do with COVID, but you've got all the grounds here, look. Popular place with kids and playground. Obviously it's the summer holidays here in England, so everybody's out today. It's been a nice day. It's free to park for an hour, but after an hour I think it's £1.50. So hopefully we can get around in an hour. It's not that big, but it's, you know, you can have a good walk around here. A lot of people bring their dogs and stuff we have with all that. So the paths in here are pretty good. They do get a bit muddy when it's been raining, like you can see down there, it gets a bit boggy. But other than that, usually they're not too bad. Not that we've even had much rain recently. We've had a little bit over the weekend, but it's been okay. So the trails are okay. Some little trails that go through the woods and stuff, people have trampled through, and like there's an Orga lives here. Wonder if it's me next door neighbour. Take the river route down the steps through the gate and just keep walking down here. Keep walking, get to these steps here, quite steep. Don't know if you can see on the camera, but they are quite steep. A spirally bit. It's a seat here if you get tired on the way back up. Have a little rest. Sheltered area. Then when you get to the bottom, it's the river. It's a river Blythe, I believe. Nice and calm. Peaceful. All these little bridges and stuff they've got around the park. Let's see if we can have a look down here. Just to the river. Oh, Jesus, what the hell? Oh, I nearly shit myself. Ducks. There's a nice little waterfall there, look. After that mini heart attack, we'll keep walking on a bit. Just walk by the river here, it's nice and peaceful. So I was going to get the drone along the river, but It's a bit too overgrown, I might end up crashing it and losing it, so I'll see if there's anywhere further around the river I can take it up round over the water, but we'll see anyway. There's loads of little walks and stuff around these parts like this, little country parks and rivers and little bits of waterfalls and what have you. I say most of them are free, all free attractions, so you know, if you're stuck for something to do and weather's okay, you've got short of money or whatever, there's always places you can come and walk, good for the well-being as well, a bit of exercise. A dark part of the woods, yeah. See where we had the rain at the weekend, it's hasn't dried up yet, so it doesn't get much sun, so these paths aren't the best. So you've had a lot of rain, maybe you want to bring your wellies. See, there's quite a few of these little picnic areas all around, so it's a great place to come and have a picnic, try and get a bit of peace and tranquility. See the height of the trees, absolutely huge, especially on that far side there, massive. It's right up. So I've cut through from that picnic area and we're back down at the river here. Back just to get back in time. I had about 4 minutes right from the bottom of the woods, so I pretty much had to sprint in. The parking range I was knocking about before, so I got back at exactly 1:15, which is when my ticket ran out. My watch actually says 16 minutes past, but obviously I'd been back a little bit before that, so never mind. I'm back, I'm safe. If you like the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more content. We've got hopefully some more stuff coming up within the next month. Might not be in this country neither, so hopefully we'll get some stuff abroad. Leave some comments and share the video if you liked it anyway, so we'll catch you soon. Bye.